If you have shaky credit and you're looking to build your credit up, this is the way to go about doing that. And if you have some things on your credit that are not that great, you have opportunity right now to build it up and build some significant monthly income. I've been I've done cards before, done the card thing before, and tried to use NetSpend and a Rush card, all those other things to not build my credit up, but just to earn a little cash on the side because they have that available. But one or two swipes with them and the surcharges eat up any commissions that you have, plus the little $20 or whatever have you they have. You fund the card with, and then you're stuck. So between those surcharges and everything like that, but this is an entry-level credit card, and what this will allow you to do is help you build your credit up. One, because it's entry-level, I think they'll come across with about I don't know, whatever your credit line is, but you have to go get approved through their banker, and it's relatively easy because you don't have to have that greater credit score to qualify for it. Two, it's going to pay you so you can pay your bills on time. I was looking at a lady who pointed out that you said because you had to spend $250 a month, that would be an issue. And she made it seem like it was going to be an issue. I don't know why that would be an issue because you would spend $250 a month anyway. Yeah, you have a bill that's around your house. It's, a couple bills that probably qualify up to $250. You have your light bill. You have whatever. You can get a money order. You can buy you a money order using this. You can do whatever. Buy your money order, pay your bills off, or however you want to do it. You can pay your bills online, however you want to do that. If you have a system that makes you pay your bills online, you can do that. But you have bills around your house that you're going to spend that money on anyway. All you have to do is just send that money back in to the card, and you're building up your network and getting paid. So regardless if